Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the single target keyword and intent. This decides everything. Use quick SERP scans to collect the top 5 pages so you can map headings, formats, and gaps. Once done, build a tight brief with your angle, primary keyword, 2-3 secondary keywords, target word count, and a list of user questions to answer. Do not start writing until that gap map is ready. It prevents wasting time on content Google already has. Now you build a detailed outline that aligns headings to user intent and fills identified gaps. Prompt your AI to draft section by section, request examples, statistics placeholders, and clear answers. This keeps content factual and scannable. Once the draft exists, edit for voice, add original insights or examples, and weave semantic keywords naturally. Make sure to add short lead-ins, conclusion, and a single clear CTA. This staged approach. Finish by optimizing on-page elements. Craft an enticing title tag and meta, shorten the URL, add schema, and ensure pages load fast. Once published, promote the post with targeted outreach, social shares, and one strategic internal link from an authority page. Monitor performance metrics, rank, CTR, and time on page, then iterate, refresh data, add examples, and expand sections where engagement drops. If rankings stall, troubleshoot by checking intent mismatch and thin content. Update the brief, and rerun the focused AI rewrite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.